Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Happy Saturday evening. I'm here in my backyard, just trying to do some things here and there, trying to get things looking good, trying to work on my grass, trying to work on my flowers. As a matter of fact, I have some landscape lighting that I'm going to put in. I'm going to move these solar panel lights and put in some landscape lighting. So we're looking at 4 here and 1, 2, and 3 over there, and probably 1 there. And I went and bought the pieces and everything. So this evening now, I'll go ahead and just kind of stage everything, make it look good. And then, eventually every day I'll come in and kind of bury the wires and stuff like that. But what I wanted to share with you real quick, because, I have a little bit of time and I haven't made a video today. And I wanted to give you a tip on how to get more lawn care customers. Now, once you hear this tip, guys, I know you're gonna be like, man, come on, it doesn't work. Guys, I'm telling you from experience, it works. When I first started my lawn care business, I took flyers out, and I was putting out flyers, I was putting out advertisement and all of that. And just so you know, my website is where I get most of my clients. Matter of fact, that's where I get all my clients now. But we're talking about, you're starting out your business, or you want to get more lawn care clients, right? Or landscaping clients. It's easy. All you have to do, and once you hear me, you're going to be like, what the hell? Go out there on a Saturday. What? Yeah. Go out there on a Saturday. Get 1 or 2 clients, and I know some of you guys work on Saturdays, and that's fine. You have to be visible. On a weekday, everyone is at work. So no one sees your company, no one sees you out there working, right? Go out there on the weekends, and if you don't work on weekends, schedule 2 of your clients on a weekend. And in my location, we hit up subdivisions. So you go out there on the weekend, and you ensure that you have a lot of flyers, you ensure that you have your advertisement, ensure that your crew is neat in appearance, and you go out there and you do your work. And I promise you guys, you're gonna pick up people. You're gonna pick up clients, you're gonna pick up work. Why? Because have you ever noticed that when you turn your lawnmower on to mow your grass, suddenly your neighbors start to come out and they mow their grass? Have you ever noticed that? Yeah, for some reason, it's contagious. So once they start hearing the lawnmower, your neighbors come out there, they look, they see your company, they give you a call, they call you over, you get that work. Or if you can, go out there, put out your flyers. You're out there working, right? Put out your flyers. Bam, 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 bam. People will see you and people will call you. Or even drive around in your truck. If it's lettered or you have a magnet, drive around, take your time. At this point, you want to do 25 miles per hour in the subdivision and just drive around. Just drive around and wave at people and let them know who you are. Make sense? Guys, let me tell you, you have to be visible. People need to know who you are. People need to see you. That's the only way they're going to know that you're out here doing what you do. Unless they really need you and you have a website and they call you and all that good stuff. But guys, if you're starting a lawn care business, or you're in the lawn care industry or landscaping, go out there on the weekend, on Saturday. I don't really would suggest going out there on a Sunday, but go out there on a Saturday, 1 or 2 hours, do 1 or 2 jobs. Well, if you're working on Saturday, that's fine, but you need to be visible to the public, especially this time of the year. It's spring. Things are popping, things are growing. Everybody wants everything done yesterday. Guys, if you have a tip that you can share with the community, put it in a comment below, and let's go ahead and share these tips, guys. Have a great Saturday evening, man. I'm about to go install some lights and have fun. All right, guys, Pop Smoke. Peace.